Want to add Bluetooth and hands-free calling to your RX8 for cheap? Check this out. This is the tools you're going to need, 10mm and a Phillips. This is the kit right here. Comes with the aux cord, a mic, and interface. This is interface. Interface. Mic. And it also comes with the USB. Make sure you add that. Here's the aux cord on the USB side, and the mic is on the interface side. Mic port. Here's the kit, all is simple. Pretty simple. So you're gonna put this cord into this spot. Easy as that. Put it down in the back, tuck it away, and then you put it back together. That's all. Make sure the Google points on the back of the radio faceplate. Make contact. That's how your radio gets ground, and that's how your radio works. Click everything back into place. Screw everything back down. When you turn the car back on, make sure you press the tape button down until the EX comes on. That's how you know it's an external. That's all you need. Be sure to check the link in my description to see the product that I purchased.